Today I will be performing an activity based on indicators. So for today I have taken hibiscus as the indicator. Now let us perform the activity. So at first I heated the vessel and poured water in it. And then I added the hibiscus petals into the water. Then I took some more water to pour in it because I have to soak the hibiscus leaves. Then after some time the leaf started losing its color and I get a solution of purple color for which we are going to use to perform the acid base test. Now let's do the acid base test. So here I have the hibiscus water. Here this is citric acid, and here this is washing powder solution. So now when I take the hibiscus indicator and pour it inside the washing powder solution, because it's a base, it turns into grayish color. And when I take this hibiscus indicator and pour it into lemon water, it turns into yellow color. So when you take the hibiscus solution and pour it into an acid, it becomes orange in color, whereas when you pour it into a base, it becomes green.